Hello, my lovelies. New York Fashion Week is officially over, and as you can see by all of the boxes, I have a lot of packages that I need to go through. Now, I didn't really attend shows this season, but I did go to lots of events. I had some showroom visits with brands that are really new to me, and then I went to some other events for brands that I've been supporting for quite a while. So let's get started. I already know what piece I'm gonna start with. Get into these boots. Get into the boots. Steve Madden hosted an event at his store in Soho, and basically it was kind of like a free-for-all, pick one pair of shoes that was gifted for free. Oh my God, look at them. They're just like fully studded, super sexy stiletto heel, pointed toe, and a thigh high with gold studs all in one. I love these so much. I feel like my personal style has evolved so much over the years, but when I run across pieces like this that is just so fierce, I have to have it. I couldn't resist. I'm sorry, I'm a maximalist. If you can't tell by now, I am obviously, you know, very much more is more. Also just got this in. It arrived when I was out and about, but let's open it. I think it's a bag from Biano. Ooh. Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. So pretty. Now this is a fall color. It's like a rich brick red. And of course, naturally, I love the basket weaving texture on here. It's so pretty. And also this little tote comes with a bag to go on the inside. So whether you want your wallet, your keys, cosmetics, oh my God, this is so nice. It could just be all the necessities that you want to keep separate from the rest of your bag. I love that. You know, it's funny now that I think about it, I'm not typically a person who follows trends. I just stick to what looks good on my body type, my shape, and what makes me feel good ultimately. But I can admit I've been a little influenced for this color of the season because it's so beautiful. Like, I love reds and burgundies. Just really dark hues of reds are just gonna be it this season, and I'm already seeing it. I'm seeing it and I'm not mad at it because red is classic. It's never gonna go out of style. I mean, what do you think? Do you feel like you're gonna have more red in your wardrobe this season that's just gonna magically appear even though we don't follow trends? All right, let's get into another brand that if you follow me on social media, we should all know and love by this point because Silver and Riley is that girl for beautiful bags. So I went to a brunch that she hosted for Fashion Week. It was amazing, by the way. So of course she was kind enough to send us home with goodies. And this is the one that I picked. It's a stunning little clutch. It also comes with a shoulder strap, a crossbody strap, so you could do that as well. But look at this purple. I didn't have anything that was like a dark purple like this for bags. Like I have like one lilac one and that's it. But I was like, this won't hurt, you know, it's dressy or it could be casual. It's just really cute. I don't know, I like it. It's like just enough room for the essentials, your phone, your wallet, your keys, and a little lippy. What do you think? Because she's such a girl's girl, she included some new Fenty hair products, instant damage repair treatment, and there's a 5-in-1 heat protectant spray. Come on, Fenty. If you watched my Fashion Week vlog, you would probably recognize this top. I went to a showroom for a brand that I wasn't familiar with. They're called Theo the Label. And when I went, of course, naturally, I will never forget them. I wore this incredible suit with like this militant jacket with the buttons that go down the front, shoulder pad moment. This is also by them, and I picked this out when I was at the showroom too. It came in so many colors, and of course, I didn't know what to do. I love this one. It's like a classic blue pinstripe, but has like this gunmetal type shade of beading on here. And it's all throughout the shirt. Just gives like a really cool, rugged appeal to something that also feels elegant. Now, let's reach into this bag of goodies. What should we do first? Let's reach in and see. I got a new little wristlet. This is from Brahmin. They were part of a gifting suite that was happening during Fashion Week, so I went there and came out with a few goodies to take home with me, but this is really cute. I also do not have any bag with this type of print. I have one bag that's like a snake print bag, but it's like gray. So this is gonna be great, obviously, for the season with these browns, the blacks, and it's just really pretty. And it even has like a hue of gold in here, just a nice little touch, but What do you think about this one? Are you a wristlet girly, or do you only do like big bags? Because I actually feel like this one is a decent size wristlet. This is definitely big enough to carry the essentials for the night. I feel like this would be really sexy with a little black dress. I mean, obviously you can wear it with other colors, but I don't know, it just seems like it'd be a nice little pop of something. Then we have, from the same gifting suite, some jewelry from Biano. I took a moment to explore their collection a little bit and ended up choosing these hoops because they just look really cool, and I think they have a really unique hammered texture to them. I feel like I have somewhat of an allegiance to gold jewelry, even though coincidentally I'm wearing silver today, just because it matches my shirt, you know? So I keep something small on me. Like I have these, but I don't have a whole lot of silver jewelry. I'm a gold girl, so that's typically what I'm gonna pick when it comes to my accessories, but they're just really cute and pretty. I have 2 more pieces of jewelry. So this one, I also went to the Alexis Batar. They kind of like have a preview of their new collection, and I got these remarkable earrings. Oh my God, they look like door knockers to me. They're so cool. I always love that Alexis Batar does like this crinkle type of look. Like I just wore some of their earrings like yesterday from several seasons ago now, where they still had that crinkle with the crystals on it. Oh, just so pretty. But these are just so fun and unique. They always just continue to reinvent themselves every year with something so interesting. And then I got a little delivery from Sif Jacobs. I got a gold ring. This has like a wavy type of shape with crystals all on the top. The earrings are more hoops, but with more of an oval shape to them. Just the right amount of statement, where it's not too much, but it's like, hey, you see me, you know? And of course, I'm happy that it also came with this travel case because I didn't even own one. So now I can keep my jewelry together when I'm on the move. And literally on the last day of Fashion Week, I got this delivery from Hutch. I wore one of their dresses to my brother's wedding. That was, of course, stunning. Everything they make is so pretty. But this one is a little bit different. Black with pops of this bronzy orange velvet. And I love pieces like this because it almost feels like a mirage. It just depends on the angle that you're looking at. And you know, it could appear black, but then when you turn to the light, it's like, ooh, look at that. So this is my last bag. Look at this. This geometric, fun piece. It's just all square beads. I think it comes in other colors as well, but I chose this pink because it matched a suit that they also sent me that is red and pink. It has like this massive, what do I call it? I don't know, it's like this huge detail that goes across the right sleeve. It's so pretty. I actually wore that to the Alexis Batar event, and to no surprise, I was literally getting compliments all night. Of course, from other people who also looked so good. So I'm like, when you look on point and you think I look on point, best compliment. Thank you. But this is from the Tap Doll. I feel like we should do Valentino first because this is my first time receiving any makeup from them. So let's do it. Oh my gosh. Look at this packaging. It's a pyramid. Here we go. Well, this is a first Valentino lipstick. Listen to this. They're like magnetic cases. A tour in the streets. Magnetic closure is so extra. I love it. Look. Spike a pose. These are similar, but this is slightly more pink. It's Valentino, baby. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God. And I'm loving so far that these feel like silky. Pink is punk. What do are we thinking? It's electric, it's electric. Almost done. I have 2 more boxes. They are both makeup boxes. This package I got from Lancome. Ooh, mess with Lancome. Let's see. This is just an all-around box of goodies. Ooh, this is a balm. Look how pretty this is. Let's try it on. It says coral color. I already have like another one of the other balms on actually. But oh my God, so good. I love these like tinted balms because they still look good when you don't have the rest of your face done. You know, like some lipstick looks weird on you when you don't have like, you know, the works. Juicy Tube lip gloss, mascara, and mascara booster. Now we've officially made it to my last box from my Fashion Week unboxing. Let's see what's inside. As you can see, it's YSL. You know what's funny? I actually keep these boxes. They're actually functional, really pretty boxes. Liquid blush, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all different colors. We've got purples, pinks, peaches. I feel like I should try one. Which should I try? These are all of the colors that they send.